Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our today's tutorial is how to show your professional mode on Facebook. Sometimes the reason you can't see the professional mode option is because the app you're using is outdated. Let's begin. First, go to the Play Store and make sure your Facebook app is updated. Tap the update button if it is available. Restart your phone and try it. The second method is to go to Facebook storage and clear the data. Clear all the data and tap OK. Restart your phone and try it. The third method is to open your Facebook and go to your profile. Take the three dots, then copy the profile link. Proceed to the Help and Support option. Report a problem. Continue to report a problem. Include in report. Then tap the profile option. Paste your profile link and type this: Dear Facebook, I want to switch to professional mode but this option is not showing on my account. Please help me. Then submit report. After 72 hours, Facebook will allow you to use a professional mode and that's it. Thank you.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.